Hello guys, today we are going to explore the Michigan Secretary of State's website. This user-friendly website simplifies essential state service like vehicle registration, driver license, and voter registration. It's a convenient hub for managing vehicles, getting disability parking permits, and exploring a variety of online services. Now I will show you how to do login this website. First, open up your browser, then type michigan.gov SOS. Then click the first website here. Now we are in the website. Then you can see the variety of services here, like vehicle types, license and ID, and others. Now we're gonna click online services here. In this tab, we are seeing the services again, but it's more detailed now. Then individual login. Then here we are. Now you can type your user ID or email here, then type your password here, then click the I'm not a robot quick captcha section here. After that, simply login. If you don't have an account, you can create one here. It is simple too, just need your email, then make it next step.